Thought you might like an update. James Clemens suggested that I do a time lapse. I did think about it, however, a 5-hour time lapse on this would be a little bit difficult to do at this point in time. So I'll just come back and show you where I'm at. We have an hour and a half to go on this print, and I'm really wrapped with where it's sitting and how it's looking. I will need to adjust the nozzle just up a bit because it's just starting to tear right down the end, right down that end. Is it going to focus? Come on, focus. It's just starting to tear a little bit. You can just see it. See where it's just sort of dragged across that angle? I just need to raise that nozzle up a little bit. But overall, the print itself is looking fantastic. And as I say, an hour and a half to go. So what I'll do is I'll adjust the nozzle. I'll just raise it up a bit. And for the second half of this print, I'll be back in an hour and a half when this thing is complete.